Hey, this is Ryan from MOS Equipment, maker of Mission Darkness Faraday product line. I'm going to be showing you the Mission Darkness NeoLok Faraday bag and charging kit. So this is a great kit for keeping devices live during transport. If you're using analysis tools like GrayKey, Cellebrite, XRY, it's generally better to keep the device live during transport because at the end when you're analyzing it, you're likely to get more data. So this kit we've put together to accomplish that. It includes a battery, some charging tips, instructions in the bag. I'm just going to start by rolling through the different items that are included and why it's special. So this is the Faraday bag. Unlike the other Faraday bags we have, this has a window here. It's not necessarily for seeing the device screen through the bag, but more to see the battery life. So once you connect a device, you're going to put this battery in and connect it up, and you can push this button kind of at the top of here, which you can feel through the window, and we'll zoom in and check out what's going on here. You can see the two bars, or the two dots, blue dots. This is telling you the battery status. So this is 2 out of 4, you know it's half full. This is just going to let you know how much time you've got during transport. The amount of time that you actually do have pretty much depends on the capacity of the battery of the device, how much juice it's drawing. There's a lot of different factors involved, but at least you're going to be able to see that when you check through the window here. You can see how much battery you have left. Now, this is a 20,000 milliamp battery. We do have a 10,000 option. It's just a matter of how much juice you're going to have in here for transport. So once you obtain a suspect device, you're going to take your battery, connect the USB extension cable here to the battery. Now this we have so that when you place the battery in, you don't have to reach all the way in to the side of the battery to connect the different tips that we have. This just makes it easier to swap them out. We've got a USB-C connection, a Lightning for Apple devices, and then a micro USB. These three together cover the vast majority of devices in the market. So if we were to encounter an iPhone, we would connect here with a Lightning connector, connect the device, place it in the bag, and then next thing we'll do is we'll roll the top. This is our NeoLok connection. This is a magnet top connection. You can see here it's just magnetic. We don't have any Velcro. This is really easy to use. We're starting to use this on a lot of our bags. What happens is, aside from just being easy to use and lengthening the life of the bag itself, when you bring this inside of a Faraday box like our BlackBag Lab or another enclosure and you're using conductive gloves, this is going to be way easier on the conductive gloves than Velcro. So it's a really nice feature we have. This little snap just makes sure that when it's in the field, you've got it snapped and it's not going to come undone. So let me just show that. Okay, great. And then our other accessories, we could stow them in the back pocket here. Now this is special to this Faraday bag. We don't have this zipper pocket in any of our other bags. We would stow that. And then our battery's in here right now, but normally if you don't have the battery inside of here, you can stow it in this pocket. And then the final thing that we include is a set of instructions. If you don't know how to use the bag, if you're purchasing these and giving them out to field investigators, they may not necessarily know how to use it. So we include that. That fits nicely in here. So this is the NeoLok Faraday bag charging kit. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line at info@mosequipment.com, and thanks for watching.